Good afternoon, ma'am. We're here to present the Mr. CC Subdivision Marketing Plan. So I am Daniel Perenalaco. This is Maureen Arguelati, the Earl Mondrado, Earl Siren in Black, and Miss Christine Torres. So first is the business profile. Business name, Mr. CC Subdivision, and product type is sportswear. In the business concept, Mr. C's Subdivision is a clothing business that produces sportswear such as basketball jerseys, volleyball jerseys, warmers, and other sportswear. So by using high-tech machines such as computers that do all the design, do all the prototype design, printer machines that do the printing process, it says that including the design in the fabric that use making a sportswear, and sewing machines that do the finishing process of the sportswear. Next is the mission statement. Mission statement is provide beautiful designs and good quality sportswear at affordable price. So here we provide some highly digital designs to attract some customers, and by offering them a cheap and affordable price. So in the mission statement, we need to become better known for its good quality and more affordable price, and to be recorded in the Filipino market as one of the best subdivision within 5 years. So our target is, so here in the vision, our business is targeting the position of the one of the best subdivision in the Filipino market. Next one is market analysis. So, Mr. CC Subdivision provides mass production of sportswear and beautiful designs, good sewing of jerseys, quality and durable clothing, cheap and affordable, safe for any skin allergies, keep the skin safe, help absorb sweat not out of the body. So by providing not only a fast service and also strong sewing process, and one for care for any skin allergy, and it can help absorb the body sweat, and it's not hard for our body. So in the unique selling position or USP, the first one is close to loose growth, instance, designs, and manufacturing using high quality machines. The second one is cheap and good for the body, absorb sweat, and keep the skin safe. The third one is high quality fabric and durable construction plus beautiful designs. The next one is marketing channels and campaign. So use the social media campaigns. We use Facebook page showing the mocks of prototype design, TikTok showing the process of making the sportswear jerseys. In the content market, the safe blogs, design presentation, and customer feedback rate. Here we use the customer feedback rate to improve our business for more or advantage business. The community engagement, participation in the local clothing businesses. By participation in the events of like wedding, our sportswear can make anything. Influence marketing, collaboration with local clothing businesses. By collaborating in fabric or clothing business such as such as yes, wedding ceremonies or events of basketballs like sports, we collaborate in different municipalities in Palawan for we collaborate in different municipalities in Palawan to do all the services that we use in our. Next is SWOT analysis here by Miss Arguesa Mauri.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Maureen Argueta, and I am going to discuss the SWOT analysis of Mr. CC Subdivision. So the first is strength, high quality design, and clothing. Mr. CC prioritized both aesthetic appeal and durable craftsmanship. The design are likely go throughout on trends, and the
product services defined by demographic, demographic labor or innovation. It is composed. It's a original different and representation of your customer based on their about your target market includes personal background goals, pain points, and habits. Habits of the target market, then there are person who can better to.
So the target market is we offering the product or services is 1 years old to and up, and it's supposed to all vendors, low middle income and small players. Next one is price strategy.
Pricing strategy. This penetration pricing, this strategy set a low price to attract many customer. The goal is increase sales and marketing share while still covering costs. So the business does not lose their money. Once the customer become loyal, the price can slowly increase. Suggested retail price. The price range from 300 to 350 to 380 pesos, depending on how many players or people will be included in the design. Larger groups often receive the lower price per jersey because of lack of product. Goals: by improving our marketing, offering quality product, and providing excellent customer service, we aim to strengthen our brand presence so more people will trust, use, and stay loyal to our brand.
Media coverage. Feature in local sports events, YouTube, sports channels, collaboration with municipality sports events. Partnership is factory famous mall like SM Mall, online marketplace, municipality sports events. And growth